Most Ford key fobs from 2015 onward use a CR232 battery. First, locate the seam on the key fob, usually along the edge or back. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool into the seam. Gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once the key fob is open, locate and carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from its clip. Ensure correct polarity when inserting the new CR2032 battery. The positive side, marked with a plus sign, should face up. Snap the two halves of the key fob case back together firmly until you hear a click. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure it works with your vehicle. Consider recycling the old battery at an auto parts store or battery recycling center to help the environment. For some newer Ford models, you may need to repair the key fob with your vehicle through the Ford Pass app if issues occur.